Deep Blue is an initiative created by Mastech to bring three communities together: the student community, the social sector community, and the community within Mastech, which can, fashion solutions using technology. At Mastech, we pride ourselves on our solutioning ability, the ability to create solutions that solve real-world problems. And real-world problems remain in the social sector. The commercial sector obviously has a lot of, issues and leverages technology. But if you have to reach the masses and if you have to, solve real problems in the world, you have to also extend these solutions to the social sector. The reason was we personally believe that technology is a fast-changing thing. And the latest technology, the people who know how to use it best are the youngsters. Okay? And they have to be, inspired and committed to using this technology for social. And so we brought real-life social sector problems to this young community. At the outset, at the time we started, we had, at that time, it was the favorite at that time was hackathons. Hackathons which would last for a day or overnight. And, the reason we didn't want to do hackathons is hackathons are a very short duration events which can produce some limited output, but it doesn't give a working solution. We took the first unique characteristic of Deep Blue is a set of problems that we create. We curate 5 to 6 problems, which are social sector problems, combination of technology and social sector problems, which are quite unique. The second unique thing about Deep Blue is that the solution cannot just be an idea, it has to be built out as a full solution. The third dimension of a Deep Blue initiative is that this should be teamwork between the college students, and they would work under the mentorship of the Mastech solutions team and the Mastech project managers who guide them through this entire process. And most important is the solution had to be working at the end of the 3-month period. Over the years, we have had a number of interesting problems. The first year we had a problem which was, connected with malnutrition. When we had, worked with the social sector organizations who were combating malnutrition, one of the issues they had was, how do you find the height of a baby? Okay, the weight you can easily weigh on the feet, but how do you find the height of a baby? Because a baby will not leave the mother, and even if and how do you hold the baby? You can't stretch the baby and then put them on a measuring scale to measure the height. So how could you measure the height of the child? Because both height and weight are needed to determine whether there is malnourishment. So the field workers needed a predictable way to measure height. And the college students actually devised a very nice phone app to measure the height of these children. And what started as only in Mumbai has now spread to different parts of India. And the number of teams are going up, competing for this are going up. And we learned a lot about how to conduct this initiative during the COVID years, believe it or not. Because during the COVID years, we did not take a break. Actually, both years, the Deep Blue competition did take place, and we went virtual. Today, I'm a little more cautious. Technology has to be used responsibly to bring change to the masses. And I think that holds even more so for AI, because just as technology can do good, it can do a lot of harm as well. So we've got to use technology responsibly, especially when we are solving social sector problems, which are impacting humanity as a whole.